MCP primary results for Mchinji South on Wednesday have shown that Ms. Agnes Nkusankoma carried the day with 296 votes, beating other 6 contestants such as MP for the area, Mr. Diveria Saiba, who got 178 votes. Other contestants like Mr. Olunato Pandakwao got 11 votes, Jerome Walusa got 15 votes, Spoonie Piri got 3 votes, Henry Kumatso got 6 votes, while Malisen Jikwapulo got 43 votes. 6 men were competing for a position of lawmaker from Mchinji South against one lady, Agnes Nkusankoma. Mr. Diveria Saiba has been MP for the area for quite a long time. According to presiding MCP officer for the primaries, Richard Chiwendo Banda, this means that Ms. Agnes Nkusa is the winner of the area.
I would like to congratulate Mrs. Agnes Nkusa, who was emerged as a winner. She got 296 votes, and coming second was Honorable Zaiba with 178 votes. Honorable Jerome Walusa got 15. The rest got 11, 4, and 6. We are happy that the process was free and fair. We had some few challenges, but at least the people respected that democracy. One must be a winner. So we would like to confirm that Mrs. Agnes Nkusa has won the Mchinji South primaries for Malay Congress Party.
Apart from the parliamentary seat in Mchinji South, there were also primary elections for councillors, whereby 11 candidates were competing for the 2 wards, namely Najiwa Ward and Msiru Ward, where the results have shown that Ms. Dorothy Musa emerged winner for Najiwa Ward, while Mr. Spencer Fungulani emerged winner from Msiru Ward. After the results were announced, there was commotion as some supporters were not in agreement with the results, taking into account that the lady had carried the day, beating other 6 men on the position of a lawmaker from Mchinji South. For Zodiac, this is Sibongile Ziambo reporting.